Hello, my name is Caitlín Nic Gabhann and I want to welcome you here to irishconcertinalessons.com. Here you can take lessons with me in my home to your home. You can learn and improve in your own time. You can take as many lessons as you like. You can pause, rewind, watch the lesson again. You can loop a part of the video if you like. So here we have 3 courses, a complete starter course aimed at the beginner from when you get your first concertina right up until your first 25 tunes and more. And for after that, we have the improver course aimed at the intermediate level and the advanced course for you if you're ready to start developing your own style of concertina playing. And there's new lessons being added all the time to the courses. In the improver course and the advanced course, I focus a lot on rhythm and phrasing and flow, as well as ornamentation and chords through a range of tunes from hornpipes to jigs and plenty of reels. My aim here is to help you learn how to learn better and how to be a better concertina player. So if you want to see how it works, go ahead and take one of the free sample lessons. You can send me a message. I look forward to hearing from you and I look forward to welcoming you here to irishconcertinalessons.com.